In a series 1, 6, 15, the missing number 45, 66, 91. Find the missing number. First, we can write the difference of 1 and 6 is difference is 5, and 6 to 15 the difference is 9, and so this difference we can write this x, and this difference we can write this is the y, and this difference is the 21, and this of difference is 25. And now second pattern, the 5 and 9 their difference is 4, and 9 and x we can calculate this difference is a, x and y, so this difference is b, we can write. And now this y and this difference is c, and this difference is 4, so we can write this difference is 4 and this difference is 4, so c is 4, b is 4, and a is 4. This difference is 4, this difference is 4, this difference is 4. So now the 5 plus 9, 5 plus 4 is 9. So 9 plus 4, so there is the 13, and 13 plus 4, so there is the y is 17. 17 plus 4, this 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. And now the 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 13 is 28. So 28 plus 17 is 45. 45 plus 21 is 66. 66 plus 25 is 91. So the missing number is 28. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.